Brother, I trained six-pack ABS in bed. What is your excuse? The following actions quickly help you lose belly fat. Say goodbye to a big belly. You can also train a set of beautiful ABS. Last 2 weeks. Lie on your back, with your arms at your sides, legs stretched out on the floor, lifting your legs, bringing them to your chest, gently lifting your hips, and repeating. The second movement lasts for 45 seconds. With your back straight, arms at your sides, feet off the ground, thighs perpendicular to the ground, now extend your left knee so that your leg is 45 degrees to the ground, then return to the starting. The third movement lasts for 45 seconds. Lie on your right side or with your right arm flat on the floor, place your left hand behind your head, bend your right knee so that your foot is facing back, then lift your upper body to the left B. Rest for 15 seconds. The fourth movement lasts for 45 seconds. Lie on your left side, put your left arm on the floor, put your right hand behind your head, bend your left knee so that your foot is facing back, now lift your upper body, bend your right knee, bring. The fifth movement lasts for 45 seconds. With your back straight, your arms at your sides, your legs off the floor, your feet facing the ceiling, and then you spread your legs apart. Lift them back together vertically. Imagine your legs moving. The last action lasts for 45 seconds. Lie on your back, with your arms at your sides, stretch your legs a few inches off the ground. Now spread your legs apart to the sides, keep them in the air, and bring them together to repeat. Congratulations on completing your workout, and we'll see you in the next video.